Welcome to Fact with Nandoel 2.0. Today, we're going to talk about what would happen if Jupiter became a star. What if Jupiter became a star? Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. It has more than twice the mass of all the other planets combined. But even though it's so big, Jupiter is not a star. That's because it doesn't have enough mass to initiate a fusion reaction in its core. If Jupiter had just a little bit more mass, it could become a star. In fact, if we could find 79 more Jupiters and crash them all into the one we have now, we could build a second star in our solar system. What if Jupiter became a red dwarf? 80 Jupiters crushed together would make a star out of the gas giant. But that star would be nothing like the Sun. Jupiter would be massive enough to become a red dwarf, a small, cool, hydrogen-burning star. Red dwarfs are much less luminous than the Sun. They only produce about 0.3% of the Sun's light. That means that if Jupiter became a red dwarf, it wouldn't change anything for life on Earth. We would still see it from Earth, but it would appear red and a bit brighter than the Moon at its full phase. Impact on the solar system. Would a red dwarf Jupiter have any impact on the solar system? Not as much as you might think. The former gas giant would slightly shift the orbits of the other planet, but not enough to set them on a collision course with one another, or launch them out of their orbits into outer space. The only threat we'd face would be space rocks from the asteroid belt that Jupiter might send towards the Earth. We'd need to learn to detect and destroy them before they could reach our planet. Conclusion: other than that, not much would change for the solar system if Jupiter became a red dwarf. Things would get a lot more fun if Jupiter was replaced with a sun-like star. If our gas giant became 1,000 times more massive, the solar system would go wild. Asteroids would crash into planets, and planets would change their orbital course. It's hard to predict what would happen to Earth in this gravitational mess. It could be anything from being pulled a little too close to Jupiterstar and getting scorched, to being left drifting alone in the void of space. In any case, it wouldn't be too pretty. In the real world, Jupiter is forever destined to be a planet, and that's for the best. Maybe someday soon we'll get a closer look and send a manned spacecraft rushing inside the gas giant. But that's a story for another Fact with Nandoel 2.0. If you find the information valuable and enjoy our content, we kindly ask for your support by liking and subscribing. As a new channel, your trust means a lot, and every like is greatly appreciated in creating more videos like this, so it helps us to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching.